There you go guys. Ito yung picture niya. Ang pinakamamahal ko. Yan. Sinusum ko na. Ayan siya. Oh, diba? We're so cute. Magkikiss forever. This is her. Yes, her. Because she's a lesbian. I'm not the lesbian. She is. So, yun. Malamag ko yan. Ito yung picture namin nung kasal ng tita niya. And then, ito yung outing. She fell to sleep on the jeepney. Yes, sa jeep kasi yung sapa namin. And then, ako to bagong gising. Another time naman yan. So, ito, no swimming din. After we after namin uminom or nag-swimming din yata. And then, oh my god, there's a piece over here. Look at this. Chocolate yan. Yan, nasa gitna. So, yan. Agawan portion lang. And then, ito, pauwi na kami. Yan lang. That's her. My one and only Margaret. Nice name, diba? Margaret. So, yun lang. And that's her. I love her so much.